In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from your personal Google Drive to a work drive with ease. This process is essential if you often find yourself needing to share documents or collaborate within a professional setting while keeping personal and work files organized separately. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive on your web browser. You can do this by entering drive.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're logged in with your personal Google account. Once you're in your Drive, you'll see all your files and folders displayed. Take a moment to locate the files you plan to transfer to your work drive. Next, what you want to do is create a new folder where you'll temporarily store the files you wish to transfer. You can do this by clicking on the New button on the left-hand side, then selecting Folder from the drop-down menu. Give your folder a name that makes it easy to identify, like Transfer to Work Drive, and click Create. Now, drag and drop the files you want to move into this new folder. Alternatively, you can right-click on the files, choose Move To, and select the folder you just created. It's a good idea to double-check that all necessary files are inside this folder to ensure a smooth transfer. Once you've consolidated all the files you need in one place, you'll share this folder with your work account. Right-click on the folder and select Share. A sharing settings window will pop up, prompting you to enter an email address. Here, you will input your work email address, ensuring you're using the Google account tied to your work drive. Before you click Send, notice the pencil icon to the right, which controls permissions. If you want the ability to edit the files after the transfer, set it to Editor. Otherwise, Viewer or Commenter might suffice, depending on your needs. After you've sent the invitation, switch over to your work email account. Make sure you're logged into this account in a different browser tab or window for easy switching. Open the email notification from Google Drive, which will provide you direct access to the shared folder. From your work drive, open the shared folder. You can either work directly from this folder or, if you prefer, move those files into your drive to keep everything orderly. To move, right-click on the files or folder and choose Add to My Drive. The files are now part of your work account's drive. By following these steps, you've successfully moved your files from your personal Google Drive to your work drive, facilitating smooth transitions and efficient organization between personal and professional digital spaces. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay organized.